here is the Goodman heat pump running. And even though it is about 58 degrees, it's pretty frozen. Oh, there's some right there. And there's some ice inside. I got a video of this thing defrosting a few nights ago, and if you have not seen the video, I recommend you check it out. And if this thing does go in the defrost, it's going to be a steam show, that's for sure. And here is this one. Yeah, all these have the Goodman reciprocating compressor. I'll get a better view of it. That one's not running, obviously. And this one's pretty much the same thing. Okay, I'm gonna go check on the other one. Yeah, it's over here. Yeah, I don't think the other one's running, but we'll check it out anyway. Okay, I might get a. There's a good chance I might get a video of that. Either one of these defrosting tomorrow, because it's supposed to be cold and rainy all day tomorrow. And this one never seems to want to freeze up for some reason. And this one I thought would be gone by now. This one is gonna be gone pretty soon. Yeah, that has the Goodman scroll. The only one that does have the scroll. And here is this one, Goodman reciprocating. Yeah, it sure is. Anyway, haven't got to defrost out this one yet. I will when I get the chance, and we'll see how it goes. No, I don't know if this has been running. Not really. Golly, I did think this one was going to be gone by now. But the thing is, my parents keep forgetting to call the HVAC service. There it is. Okay. Let's go, shall we? Okay, let's see what it's doing now. Is it defrosting? Nope. Dang it. But look at that, that's pretty frozen. About it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. There's more to come later in the fall. Out.